On behalf of the government and people of Nigeria, as well as in the name of the Organization of African Unity, I welcome you to Nigeria for this Trade Ministerial Conference of the Organization of African Unity. Nigeria feels greatly honored with the presence of such high-level and distinguished delegates from Africa and other parts of the world at this very important conference. At this stage, your deliberations will be primarily concerned with articulating the means for the concerted efforts of Africa in defining and ordering the pattern of the continent's relations with what has recently emerged as a major economic region of the world, namely the enlarged European Economic Community. Africa has now adopted a set of basic principles and norms which should guide your deliberations. These principles have been carefully conceived and devised to provide the negotiating framework for regulating Africa's relationship with other economic and trade groupings in the world, particularly Europe, while fostering cooperation and solidarity among African states themselves and other developing countries of the world. We thus have a clear and realistic definition of African consensus on which to develop our common approach on the issues which will be engaging the attention of this conference.
We are called upon to give the first concrete expression to our resolve to rid Africa of the shackles of economic imperialism, unwarranted plunder, and inhuman exploitation, through the formulation of a concrete and practical common African platform for negotiations with the European Economic Community, the biggest single market in the world.